meron akong mental problem, diba? You never know kung ano yung nasa head ng isang tao. So, yeah, I think you just have to be nice to everybody. And yeah, Barbie's so good, as always. Diba? Thank you.
Picture po.
Hey.
What can you say about her acting?
Well, as always, she never fails to surprise us, right? Kahit alam naman natin na magaling si Barbie, pero ganun pa rin. This one is a different genre, and for her to, star in a film na she's alone, really proud of her, and she deserves a lot more movies and more blessings, and ultimately to be happy with it.
Bakit kailangan panoorin ng mga Barda fans?
Well, of course, it's Barbie, di ba? Marami kasing lessons yung movie, in my opinion, and yeah, feeling ko it's a must-watch.
Magkakaroon ba ng movie soon with Barbie? Magkakaroon ba ng movie soon this year?
Hopefully, let's see.
Message mo na lang sa akin.
Hey Barbie, I'm really proud of you. Sana ay mas marami pang ikaw na gawin ng projects dahil napakagaling.
Thank you. Send mo naman tayo.
David. At sa acting po ni Miss Barbie.
Well, sa movie, ang ganda, to be honest. Ang ganda na cinematography. The whole feel of the movie is nice, and more importantly, maraming lessons. I mean, the way you see it, yung interpretation of this movie is like, it's like mental health, di ba? We never know kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng isang tao. And who knows kung ano yung nasa utak ng isang tao, hindi natin alam di ba? What if ganun? What if yung gaya na P77, hindi ba? Na it's scary, it's just, I don't know, out of this world, hindi ba? So, I think it's just nice to be good to everybody and yeah, be there for your loved ones.
Ano pong masasabi niyo sa acting ni Barbie?
Sige, ha?
Ano pong masasabi niyo sa acting ni Barbie?
Well, as always, alam naman natin na napakagaling ni Barbie na actress, and this one, it's a different side of her. And yeah, I mean, kahit naman genre kaya ni Barbie So, yeah.
Give one word to describe the movie, sir.
Amazing.
Pwede pong invite niyo po sila panoorin sa July 30.
Everybody, manood kailan to?
Starting July 30.
Okay. Hi everybody, manood po tayo ng P77 in cinemas nationwide on July 30 starring Barbie Protect.
Thank you po.
Thank you. What's up?
Gano'n ka proud kay Barbie sa P77?
I am really extremely proud of her. Alam naman natin na this is, I mean, in case you guys don't know, ito talaga yung dream ni Barbie, to star in the movie and for her to, excel and exceed our expectations as always. Nothing but praises. Really happy for her.
If you have a message for Barbie, kunwari si Barbie tong kausap mo ngayon.
Hey Barbie, just wanna say na napakagaling mo. I'm just so happy na na-reach mo yung dream mo of, starring in a film like this. And yeah, I hope to work with you soon again. Nakakamiss pag nakita ko si Barbie na iba yung eksena niya, parang ano ba ito? Yun, joke lang, but I'm really happy.
Bakit na lang po kailangan manood ng tao ng P77?
Well, it's entertaining, number one. Number two, it will give you different emotions. Lastly, maraming lessons, di ba? I feel like yung own interpretation ko of this movie is it's about mental health. Na what if, like a person is suffering from a mental health issue and hindi natin alam what if ganito pala pupasok sa head niya, diba? Again, hindi ko yun alam, maybe lang, it's my own interpretation. So I think it would be nice to always remember to be nice to everybody. Daming nice, but yeah.
Magic 4.
Hindi rap dito sa pesta natin.
Kaya baka tayo makikita.
Guys, thank you guys.
Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ay, sobrang galing mo.
Gusto mo naman akong perfect na picture.
Okay ka na ba talagang basketball ka kanina?
Hindi, naglagyan ako ng basketball.
Sa side mo na.